Our cape assembly machine can do good job for cape production factory in many fields such as chemical, cosmetic, food and so on. It's widely used in those sectors with high output demand and with related costs. It can combine 2 bars or 3 bars you know together as one finished cape automatically. Also, our machine can be inserted into cape production line to realize for automated production. Meantime, our cape assembly machine can be combined with other auxiliary equipment such as cape welding machine. So on one equipment, 2 steps are done: cape assembly and welding. We are automatic expert. Welcome to contact us if you are interested. Thank you.